Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn about exercise 7.4. For question number 1, for each of the following shapes, find both the area and the perimeter. Give your answer to three significant figures. First, we do question A. We can see that the angle of the sector equal to 40 degree. So we can find the area. 40 over 360 multiplied by pi and the radius 6 square. By using the pi, which equal to 3.14, we got the final answer. 40 divided by 360 multiplied by pi and 36. So the final answer equal to 12.56 centimeter square. In three significant figures, we got 12.6 centimeter square. And for the perimeter, we find the length of the arc. We say L, which equal to 40 over 360 multiplied by 2 pi multiplied by the radius. And the final answer, the length of the arc, 40 divided by 360 multiplied by 2 pi and 6. We got the answer 4.18. So the perimeter equal to length of arc plus radius and radius. So we say that 2r 4.18 plus 12 and the final answer 16.2 as three significant figures. The unit is centimeter. For question B, the angle equal to 45. So the area equal to 45 over 360 multiplied by pi and the radius equal to x. So we write x squared, and by using the calculator, 45 divided by 360 multiplied by pi and 64, we got the answer 25.1 centimeter square. And we find the length of arc, 45 over 360 multiplied by 2 pi multiplied by the radius 8, and we got 45 over 360 multiplied by 2 multiplied by the pi and the radius, we got 6.28. So the perimeter equal to 6.28 plus 2 times the radius 16, and the final answer 22.3 centimeter in three significant figures. For question C, the angle is 15, so area equal to 15 over 360 multiplied by pi multiplied by 3.2 square. And the final answer, we got equal to 1.34 centimeter square. The length of the arc, 15 over 360 multiplied by 2 pi multiplied by the radius. So 15 divided by 360 multiplied by 2 pi and 3.2, we got 0.84. So the perimeter equals 0.84 plus 2 times the radius, 6.4. So we got 0.84 plus 6.4, the final answer 7.24 centimeter. For question D, we get the area equal to half of area of circle. So 1 over 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by the radius equal to the diameter divided by 2, 8.6 square. So the final answer, we got half of pi and 8.6 square. We got the answer in 116 centimeter square. The length of arc equal to 1/2 multiplied by 2 pi multiplied by the radius. So we got 27 centimeter, and the perimeter equal to the diameter plus the length of arc, 27 plus 17.2. So 27 plus 17.2, we got 44.2 centimeter. For question E, the area equal to a quarter of the circle. So quarter of pi multiplied by the radius 15.4 square. So the final answer equal to 186 centimeter square. The length of arc equal to 1/4 multiplied by 2 pi multiplied by the radius. We get the answer is 24.2 centimeter. So the perimeter equal to 24.2 plus 2 times the radius. So we got 30.8, and the sum of 24.2 plus 30.8, we got the answer 55.0 centimeter. For question F, the area 3/4 multiplied by pi multiplied by the radius square of the radius. So we get 0.28, 0.184 centimeter square. And for the length of arc equal to 3/4 multiplied by 2 pi multiplied by the radius. So the answer we get equal to 1.32, and the perimeter equal 1.32 plus twice of the radius 0.56. So the perimeter equal to 1.32 plus 0.56 equal to 1.88 centimeter. For question G, we got 2 semicircle. So the area equal to half of the first circle, pi multiplied by square of the first circle, the radius 4.3 square, plus for the smaller circle, the diameter equal to 4.3, so the radius equal to 2.15 centimeter. So we write it as 2.5 square. And the final answer for the area, half of pi multiplied by 4.3 square plus 0.15 square. So we get the answer equal to 36.3 centimeter square. For the perimeter, we got the first arc equal to half circle to the bigger circle, half of 2 pi multiplied by 4.3, and then arc of the smaller circle, half of 2 pi multiplied by 2.15, and then the radius of the bigger circle, 4.3. So the final answer equal to half of 2 pi equal to pi multiplied by 4.3 plus pi multiplied by 2.15 and plus the radius we got 24.5 centimeter. For question H, we got two area. The first one is the area of a rectangle, 6 multiplied by 14 plus area of a semicircle. The diameter equal to 6, so the radius equal to 3. So the final answer, 6 multiplied by 14 plus half of pi multiplied by 9. So the final answer, 98.1 centimeter square. And for the perimeter, the length of arc equal to 1 over 2 multiplied by 2 pi multiplied by the radius plus, we got 14 here, so 2 times 14 plus 6. And the final answer, we got pi multiplied by 3 plus 28 plus 6. We got 43.4 centimeter. So that's all for question number 1. See you in the next question.